this pandemic has actually put us into a very difficult situation. But MORE Power has actually did so many things to make the impossible possible. And this is a sign of unity between the collaboration and the cooperation of the Ilonggos.
Ma-usar kami sang 1,000 electric meters, double cross arms, electrical steel pole, which also serves as the sustainability program of MORE Power.
What is the real essence of Christmas? The true essence of Christmas is love.
MORE Power does not have to do this, but they do this because they believe that in doing this, we work for the betterment of our beloved city.
But let's not forget that the real essence of Christmas is more than the lights, more than the tree. No, because the real essence of Christmas really starts with all of us. On behalf of the Board of Directors, Management of MORE Power, we'd like to greet everyone Merry Christmas, and let's all hope that next year will be a better year.